Good day everyone, my name is Jampo Zirilingo. I just want to share some of my real thoughts and takeaways from these two lessons that I've learned in contemporary English, which is mastering business presentation and mastering workplace harmony and communication. These aren't just topics we studied, they're things that actually help me grow both as a student and as a person learning how to communicate better in a new world.
So let's proceed to the first topic that I choose in this subject, which is mastering business presentation. Number one, for me, every strong presentation starts when I'm clear about my purpose. Second is I learned that presentation gives me the kind of confidence no shortcut can give. Number three is a solid structure keeps the audience locked in and focused. Number four, slides aren't just tools for presentation. I am the message. And number five, my tone, pace, and energy decides how people feel when I speak. Number six, so for me, standing straight with real eye contact to audience earns respect fast. Number seven, I don't need to act perfect. I just need to sound real. Next, I learned that talking with people feels way better than I'm talking to them. Number nine, I learned that simple words hit deeper than fancy ones. Practice always beats nerves. It keeps my mind steady. So number 10, a short story can carry a message stronger than pure facts. Next, if I messed up, keeping calm makes me look professional. Next, a smile shifts the whole room's energy. Next, I realize in this topic, the goal isn't memorization, it's connection. So I learned that the time control shows respect. No dragging, no rush. So my voice is my weapon. I need to use it with balance and emotion. So a real passion can be faith. People can always tell. So next, true confidence means being present, not perfect. So next, every presentation is a reflection of any discipline and identity. So lastly, I learned that communication isn't just for class. It's a real world skill that opens doors. Thank you. Now, let's proceed to the next topic that I choose, which is mastering workplace harmony and communication. So first, I've learned that respect is the core rule inside the workplace. Second, a good communication builds trust faster than any position or title. Third one is a great leader listens before speaking. The fourth one, I know that conflict will always happen, but control and calmness shows growth. So next one, I realized that trust takes time. You can rush with connection. So next one, little things like greetings and thank yous keep peace alive. So next one, working with others means adjusting, not overpowering. Next one, I learned that honesty is power, but without it and kindness, it can break people. I have learned that understanding comes before reacting. I know that most problems starts from assumptions, not from real words. A body language often speaks louder than anything I say. Next one, every role matters. No one stands alone in a real team. So respecting differences creates stronger unity. So a feedback doesn't hurt when I see it's a lesson, not an attack. So by staying calm under pressure separates a pro from a beginner. So a team built on trust, I will always outlasts one built on ego. I learned here that real harmony starts how I manage myself. So I learned that clear communication keeps the mission clean and simple. So I learned that humility keeps everyone grounded, even when we win. So lastly, I learned that harmony isn't about silence. It's about moving forward together.